Now let us see an example for constructing non-deterministic finite automata for the given regular expression. Let us consider this regular expression A star B or B star A. On looking at it, we all understand that the string beginning with A should end with B, or the string beginning with B should end with A. And also, suppose if, as it is given as A star, if A doesn't appear, it can have a single B. Similarly, if B doesn't appear, it can have a single A. So the basic strings would be as like it can have a single B, or it can have a single A, or any number of A's followed by a B, or any number of B's ending with A. These are the types of strings accepted by this regular expression. So now let us construct the NFA using JFlap. So the strings accepted are single B or single A. So we can have the start state, which goes to a final state on single A or B, and this will be our single A or B is accepted. So this is our final state. Q1 is our final state. So Q0, on reading A, it is accepted. Q0 on reading a single B is also accepted. But if it reads more number of A's, it should end with B. So if it reads one A and more number of A's, in order to reach, it should end with a B. Similarly, if it reads more B's, it should end with a A. So if it reads a single A, and if it reads more number of A's, it should read a B and reach the final state. Similarly, if it reads B and if it reads more number of B's, then it should take the path of reaching by reading A. Whereas if it reads a single A or B, also it can reach the final state. Only if it reads more number of A's, then it should end with B. Similarly, only if it reads more number of B's, then it should end with A. If it reads a single A or B, it can directly reach the final state. So here on state Q0, we have for input A, there are two transitions, one to Q1 and also to Q2. Similarly, for input B, we have two transitions, one to Q1 and another one to Q3. So this is a NFA, which means on single input we have multiple transitions from one state. Now, in order to check the other possibilities, let us consider the other states. In Q2, we have the possibility of A and B. Similarly, in Q3 also we have given the possibilities of B and A. Now in Q1, if we read another A or B, then the Q1 state is reached by reading single A or single B, or with the pattern given, strings beginning with B's ending with A, strings beginning with A's ending with B. Thus ends the condition for the problem. Therefore, in Q1, it should not accept any other alphabet. Therefore, from Q1, on reading A or B, the machine will go to a non-accepting state, which we may also call it as a sync state. So from Q1, if it reads A or B, then the machine reaches the sync state. Of course, the sync state will not go back to the final state. Therefore, we have a self loop for other possibilities. So this is an NFA that accepts A star B or B star A.